2025 Kia Carnival. I'll show you how to pull out the cabin air filter. It's located behind the glove box door, so we're going to need to lower this. First step is going to be to disconnect the damper. Just pop that loose like that. And you notice that the glove box has these stoppers right here. There's some on both sides. Stop the glove box from opening up all the way and falling down. We're going to need the glove box to actually fall down, so we're going to push these in and put some pressure on the door, pull it down a little bit. You need to go back and forth until you can get it to come down like this. Okay, that gives you access to the cabin air filter door, which is this guy here. So notice right here on the right, this is a locking clip. We're going to squeeze this clip, pull it towards you, and it's going to take the door off. Okay, so the other side does not work like that. It uses this tab that slides into a slot. Okay. And then notice that on the actual filter itself, it says airflow down. So when you get your new filter and you install it, make sure you install it the correct way with the airflow down. And if you need a filter, there's a link in the description box and the comment box. It takes you to Amazon where you get a premium filter there. This one definitely needs to be changed. It's pretty dirty, but you just pull it out like that and replace it. I don't actually have a new one because this one's I need to get it approved by my customer first. So I'm going to recommend that to him. See if he wants to do it. And when you get your new one, just slide it in here like that. And again, the left side goes in first. You're gonna get that tab in a little slot that's over here. You can see it like that. And then you just push. And get it all lined up. Push this in here. You hear it click. And you just close the glove box. And it'll go right back where it needs to. Damper just clicks back on here like this, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it really was, we'd really appreciate you if you could hit the subscribe button if you want to see more Kia videos, and hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment if you could. Really would appreciate that, and hope to see you again in another Kia video.